Hello guys, welcome to our YouTube channel. It's by Keys. So I'm gonna go in straight to this short review, try as much as possible to make it short. So I'm gonna be reviewing these links. These are links that people spread on WhatsApp and Social media. The links they are usually like this. They come with these Bitly slash stuffs. But the thing is that with Bitly is a nice website. Is what you use in shortening links, but most times if official bodies hardly use them. So as it is now, it's mostly uh once you what one thing I need you to know about this Bitly link is that normally using a Bitly link or you clicking a Bitly link is not supposed to be a scam or whatsoever. But there are some adverts that are written on the Bitly link. If you once you click on them, once you get there, you should see for yourself and know that okay, this one does not just make sense. So those are some of the things I want you to understand. At least Bitly link is a normal link. People use it for affiliate marketing, digital marketing, and companies, what have you. But the thing about this Bitly link is that what they promise, some of them they promise outrageous things, and those are the things you should look out for. Like this one now talks about Canada scholarship 2021, studying University of Toronto, benefit, full tuition fee. Then they drop the Canada scholarship Bitly link. Normally you can go and click on it and do what you want to do, but when you click on it and you see the website, if it's not something that makes sense, you should know, however, that this one is uh, it's rubbish. Like one thing I've noticed is that some website owners they utilize these links for driving traffic, so they tend to clickbait people, which is not ideal. It's kind of called a black hat method of marketing, and it's not ideal, it's not ethical. They clickbait you and you end up driving traffic to their website. So that's one part of it. Then the other part of it is that some scammers might utilize it in getting informations about you, while some they might even request you to pay money on the website. So click on it. I'm going to click on this first one that says Canada scholarship. Let me show you guys where this one is going to take us to. So it's kind of loading now. Just take note of this. So it says scholarshome.club/Canada. So Canada is doing full click here to apply. So I'm going to block this thing. I don't need your notifications. So I'm going to you should know that Canada scholarship and all that is kind of crazy. So I'm just going to put something random, email address. I'm just going to put on something random so you guys see what I'm trying to talk about. So have you raised that before? You click on no, and click on yes to see what's going to see reasons like this. So I'm going to click on apply to see what's going to show us next. So it says, and congratulations, your application for the ongoing scholarship has been received. To proceed to the next page, answer the following questions. Payment status. Let me put employed now. Let's put employed. So these are some screenshots. These things I don't feel they are written. What I got it at first, I thought it was fake. That one there, that they are just saying what they are saying. Those are just they are just gathering data. Okay, let's say single. Okay, let's say 30 to 40. So guys, just take note of what's gonna pop up. But normally this, okay, say you now I need to invite people. That's the thing. All this stuff. That's the reason why these things usually going viral, because they now start telling you to invite friends for you to see. Once it gets to this point, just know it's rubbish. So just know it's rubbish. I covered the way you can do this stuff, but I don't know if I should go into it again. Yeah, let me try. Let me go into it. So guys, what, because of sensitive of information on my phone, I'm just gonna try and uh, make this blue button turn green. And so if you click on this visa for, it says you have to share this information with friends on WhatsApp. Share until the blue bar is full. Let others also benefit from this program. Nobody, they don't do this. So guys, if you want to see the way I did it, that I didn't get sent to anybody, you can check the previous video. I covered that on my previous video. I did that one for CAC registration. So as I'm done with this now, set to facilitate the downloading of the calendar, you must complete it for nationality. Let me just put other country. So now you see the name of the website is saying dolos.net, that financesurvey.site.this. What is your gender? Let's put woman. 30 to 49. Block. Cancel. Self-employed stuff. So this is just necessary. I think this the person here is just driving traffic to this website, and you see, you get to find out that it doesn't really make sense. What this one saying now is thank you, is excellent. Get offer. What offer are you getting? So it's just redirecting you, taking you to places where you're clicking unnecessary things. So guys, I think that should be it for this particular tutorial. So what I'm going to advise you is that if you see an affiliate link, if you see a link, a bit.ly link, scrutinize it well. Don't just bomb people and start sending them messages on WhatsApp. Scrutinize those links and try and stay safe. You can check our previous video if you really need an update and what have you. We drop some beneficial stuff that might be helpful to you. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe. And hey guys, I don't know, you can review other links and let us know what you think about them in the comment section. So I hope this video was helpful to you, and I hope it's an eye opener. So for bit.ly links are great. They use it for marketing and every other stuff, but these particular ones, these are not the ones, these are not the reasons. These ones are just for traffic people, and maybe some scammers do use it too. So guys, peace out, stay safe. Shibaki is one love. So you see, the end of this video, the website, we didn't get any scholarship, we didn't get nothing. We just wasted our time. So it's a wasted effort. Anyway, see you now. Next upload. One love.